Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the pattern 13 from TUF plus. So here is the pattern. We are given with n equal to 5 and we want to print number of rows in is equal to n, and then we have to print the numbers in increasing order. So let's try to understand this problem. Basically n is given as, let's say, 4, then you have to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9 and 10, something like this. Yes, n equal to 4, then you have to print something like this. So let's try to understand the pseudocode for this. So here as we go for any pattern related problem, we try to identify number of rows in the problem. So here it is 1 2 3 and 4 is equal to n. So rows are equal to n only. So we can clearly write here our first loop. That will be a outer loop for I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n I plus plus. We can say that my outer loop for rows will run from 1 to n basically. That is clear. Okay. Then we will try to write the i's value here. I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3 and I equal to 4. Correct. So can we identify the number of columns that we want to print here? So in the first line, when I equal to 1, we want to print only one column. When I equal to 2, we have to print 2 columns. When I equal to 3, we have to print 3 columns. So can we say 1 to I? That will be the my column length for that particular row. Yes, we can say that. See, now these problems are becoming very easy because we have solved so many problems around this. So j equal to I, j equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I and j plus plus. This will be that many times my inner for loop will run. So now coming back to the question that what we want to print. So it is a increasing order number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So earlier we used to print star, so we used to directly write here print, but now we want to print something which is not mentioned here, right? So we can make use of any external variable here, and let's say we are using some external variable here. So let's say my num is the variable, num equal to I, maybe I'll give, and then can we print num here, and num, do we have to increase it, right? Num equal to num plus 1. Okay, but what do you think, like whether we should, and after this loop we will write a break statement here where we should declare this num. What do you think? So if we declare it here, it will get set to 1 on every row change, and if we declare it inside here, then it will get initialized on every column change. So we have to write this outside of this two for loops. So num equal to 1, int num equal to 1, that we can declare, and first time it will get printed, and then after this every time it will get set here, like it will get increased here. So let's try to write the code. So int num equal to 1. Okay, then for int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to n I plus plus. So this is my outer for loop. Inside that I'll write my inner for loop for int j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, and j plus plus. Inside that, what will print? System dot out dot print. Inside that, what will print? Will print num. Okay, after num, what will do? Num equal to num plus 1. And before ending the last for loop, what we'll do? We'll break the line. Print ln. Let's try to run this. Okay, we haven't given the space after printing num. Yes, it's accepted. Let's try to submit this. Let's just submit it also. So here the time complexity will be O of n square, because these two for loops we are using, and these two for loops are there, and this for loop will execute from 1 to n, and the inner one will execute from 1 to I basically. So that's why it is O of n square here, and the space complexity is O of 1, because we are not using any other variables rather than these loop variables here. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Code Crafters Lab. Thank you.